Hello again, guys. We are now going to talk about your fetal heart rate pattern. We have a mnemonics actually. First, the VIL or VAL. Kayo na po ang bahala. V for your variable deceleration. E for your early deceleration. A for your acceleration. And L for your late deceleration. Then, gawa ka pa ulit sa kabila. This is the cause. This is your CHOP. Your CHOP is your cord compression, head compression, okay, and your placental insufficiency. So, going back, in your VIAL, kapag variable deceleration po, cord compression po ang problema. Kapag early deceleration po, head compression naman. Kapag acceleration, okay po. Okay yung bata. Kapag late deceleration, that is your placental insufficiency. And if we're going to talk about the nursing intervention, gawa ka pa ulit ng mnemonics. Anong mnemonics? MINE. MINE, M for move the mother or maternal reposition to relieve the cord pressure. And then, I is identify the labor or in-depth monitoring of the labor. So, dito, chinecheck mo yung cervical dilation. N is no action needed or normal po. Okay? Your E is execute action considered as also emergency. So, anong gagawin mo dito kapag emergency? You turn the mother to the left side para sa oxygen, and you need to stop the oxytocin and notify the doctor. Yun lang po.